Hi everyone, Immortal here. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use Zenmap on Kali Linux. Zenmap is the official graphical user interface for the Nmap security scanner, which is a free and open source tool that provides visual network mappings. To get started, open a terminal and update your package list by running the command sudo apt update. This step ensures that you have the latest information about available packages. After updating, install Zenmap by running sudo apt install Zenmap. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Zenmap. You can find it in your applications menu or start it from the terminal by typing sudo Zenmap. When Zenmap opens, you'll see a graphical interface designed to make network scanning more intuitive. To perform a basic scan, enter the IP address or hostname you want to scan in the target field. For example, you can use localhost to scan your local machine. In the Profile dropdown, select the type of scan you want to perform, such as Intense Scan. You also have the option to manually enter an Nmap command if you have specific requirements. Click on the Scan button to start the scan. Zenmap will execute the Nmap command and display the results visually. As the scan progresses, you can monitor its status and review the output. Once the scan is complete, you can explore the results in different tabs. The Nmap Output tab shows the raw output from Nmap. The Ports, Hosts tab displays discovered hosts and open ports. The Topology tab provides a visual map of the network, helping you understand the network structure. The Host Details tab gives detailed information about a selected host. Using Zenmap, you can perform various types of scans and analyze network data in a user-friendly interface. Experiment with different scan profiles to find the most suitable ones for your needs. Advanced users can customize Nmap commands directly in Zenmap to tailor scans to specific requirements. By following these steps, you can effectively use Zenmap on Kali Linux to perform network scans and visualize the results. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Linux, cybersecurity, or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.